Hi everyone, everything Emloy Concepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating, and finger foods. Whether you are a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs, and deliciously crafted cakes. Join us and let us make every event unforgettable. This video is about Emloy Taste and Tell 2024. It's our way of giving back, and we appreciate all participants. It was such a fun time, and we really appreciate this video. We really appreciate doing this. Thank you. We appreciate everyone who showed interest and everyone for also sending us your honest review. Thank you so much. We are glad that you support this brand. We are happy to have you all. Guys, enjoy this video. Share your comments below. Let us know what you think. And be on the lookout for another edition of Emloy Taste and Tell 2025. And the only way you will qualify this year is to subscribe to my channel, be active in the comment section. Trust me, wherever you are, you will definitely get a gift. Even if you are not within our region, we will definitely get you something. Watch out for Emloy Taste and Tell 2025. Guys, enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Please be active in the comment section. Share our videos with your friends. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in another video, many more videos. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to support everything Emloy Concepts. Like this video, share this video, drop us your comments below. Bye guys.